Hello, welcome back to our English conversation series. Before we dive into today's coffee shop conversation, don't forget to download our free app for more engaging English practice sessions. You can find the download link in the description below or in the first comment. At the end of the video, you can find the vocabulary used in this video and some tips.
Hey, Pepper. Didn't expect to see you here.
Hey Mark, it's great to meet you. What are you doing here?
Just grabbing my usual morning caffeine fix. You.
Same here. Long day ahead, you know the private jobs.
At least the coffee here is decent, enough to face the day. Right?
You could say that. So, what's on your agenda for today?
Nothing too exciting, just the usual meetings and paperwork. You.
Same old stuff. But, it keeps the bills paid, right?
Well, yeah, I have to get going. Enjoy your coffee, Pepper. Nice seeing you.
You too, Mark. Take care.
And that's a wrap for today's coffee shop conversation. Remember, practicing English doesn't have to be daunting. With our app, you can improve your language skills while having fun with friends. Now, let's go over some of the vocabulary words and their meanings we used in today's conversation. Caffeine is a substance found in coffee that make your mind active. Stuff, collection of general things. Agenda, any matters that you have to deal with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to download our app. Like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel for more fresh and engaging English conversations.